Are you pondering what I am pondering, Deadpool? Why, sure thing, leader. Only one question. Where are we gonna get two chunks at this hour? Also, why does the camera get real blurry? And why do I just sound like some 18-year-old kid that doesn't even have his voice all the way, like, freaking changed at all? Like, he's not even trying. He's just doing a normal voice. What the frick, dude? Come on. Well, I get you couldn't afford Ryan Reynolds, but you could at least try to, do the voice better. Oh, and yeah, nice camera shots. Really hiding the fact that you have no editing software whatsoever. And wow, nice attention to detail. You just had him lying there in the background. I mean, frick, dude. Man. Hey, get up. Hey, get up. Hey, why didn't you get? Oh, right, because you can't operate the camera and make me move around and talk at the same time. Right. Yeah, jeez, what's with this stupid out of focus camera? Frick. Jeez. I look like I'm only have one eye. Oh, let me try something. I'd like to talk to you about an initiative. We are trying to form a team of superheroes. There's my other eye. Oh, there we go. Okay, alright, that's better. That's a little better. Actually, okay, yeah, frick. Shoot. Come on. This stupid camera. Yeah, go on. And really? A Pinky in the Brain reference? That was the best you had for that video today? Seriously? Okay, let's try changing the voice. Let's see if we can do the voice better. Okay? Whenever you're ready. Hi, I'm Deadpool. It's a pleasure to meet you. Oh great, now he sounds a little closer to Shadow the Hedgehog. Only without that weird gruff edge you add to him. Then we're gonna sound a little bit more like Cork Thurton. And here comes the part where someone interrupts. What do you want?
I got a joke. So, my dad must be good at social distancing. I haven't seen him in 16 years.
Wow, a topical humor joke. Hadn't seen that one yet. Seriously, why don't you invite this kid on to more videos like this? Actually, have we done?
Inside that video? Swears.
Kid, do you know who you're talking to?
What? Dustin, you really need to stop.
Dustin? That's your name? Wow, which wrestler were you named after, kid? Dustin Rhodes? Boy, quite the name, huh?
Dustin,